Many of us have heard the word blood pressure in our lives. What is it? We usually hear of two numbers, a top number and a bottom number. The top number is also known as the systolic number. The bottom number is also known as the diastolic number. Let's look at some basics. The American Heart Association 2024 review of blood pressure numbers reminds us that a normal blood pressure is less than 120 systolic and less than 80 diastolic. How do these numbers come about? Our heart pushes blood to the rest of our body through arteries, and the pressure that the blood exerts against the artery walls during this phase is the systolic number. Between heartbeats, the heart rests, and the pressure that the blood exerts against the artery walls during the resting phase of the heart muscle is the diastolic number. A way to remember these numbers is multiples of 10. Remember, we already said a normal blood pressure is less than 120 systolic and less than 80 diastolic. Next is elevated blood pressure, which is 120 to 129 systolic and less than 80 diastolic. The next is high blood pressure stage 1 or hypertension, which is 130 to 139 systolic or 80 to 89 diastolic. Next, we have high blood pressure stage 2 or hypertension stage 2, which is 140 or higher systolic or 90 or higher diastolic. The worst stage is the hypertensive crisis stage, where your systolic blood pressure is higher than 180 and or your diastolic blood pressure is higher than 120. At this stage, you need to get to the nearest healthcare center or hospital as soon as possible to receive care. The doctors at the healthcare center will check your blood pressure, confirm it, and advise you as to the appropriate next steps. High blood pressure can cause many other medical problems. What are some things we can do to help our heart? Regular exercise is good for the heart. Also, eating balanced, healthy meals is good for the heart. For most people, too much salt is bad for the heart. Consult with your doctor. We need to take care of our hearts. Once your heart stops, that is it. Subscribe for more self-care and encouragement videos. And until next time.